How to fix GitHub page not found 404 error. So if you're trying to load your GitHub page like this and it's not working, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve the issue. Now, first thing you need to do is head over to the website github.com, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and then click on repositories. Now from here, you'll be able to see all of your different projects. So what you need to do is go and select your project like so. Once you have your project selected, click on settings. You could then come down on the left hand side and click on pages. And now you need to scroll down to source and make sure deploy from a branch is selected. You could then come down to branch and you need to make sure that this is not set to none. So if you have another option here like master, then go and select that instead. Also make sure the root is selected like this, and then you need to go and press save. Now once all of these settings have been saved, you'll need to wait 60 seconds. After 60 seconds have passed, you can then go and refresh the page, and you should have this option at the top that says your site is live, and you can go and click on this to open your site. If it's still not found or you're not getting this message at the top, then what you'll need to do is come over to code on the left hand side, and you'll need to make sure you have a file here called index.html. So if you don't have this already, you can just go and add a file, and then you can just go and name this index.html. And once you've made this file, you can obviously commit the changes. You could then wait another 60 seconds and come back over to settings. When you come back over to pages, you should now have the option to click on your live website.